talk a little bit about warranties this morning. With an Aqua Systems water softener that we install for you, you get quite possibly the best warranty in the industry. First of all, it's from the factory, not just from me. A lot of companies will come out and say, oh, we're going to offer you X number year warranty. But if the company goes out of business or they decide they don't want to honor that warranty anymore, it's totally up to them. When we install a piece of equipment, you actually get warranty written with serial number, your name, and everything else that is your assurance that the equipment will A, do what it's supposed to do, but B, if there is ever any issues with internal parts or anything, that your warranty will cover it. So when you're shopping for a water softener and these companies throw out, oh, we cover this lifetime, we cover that lifetime. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. And again, you want to see the warranty in writing before possibly you sign the contract or have somebody put it in. We might not be the least expensive unit on the market, but we feel value for value, the warranty that you get and everything, we're probably the best decision for you if you do decide to purchase a water softener. So if you have any questions, just reach out and give us a call about our warranty or about our equipment. Thank you.